In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change background in Messenger. So whether it is a group or chat, head over to its settings. You can see on top we have this customization option. You do not need to go down anywhere. So just be on top, and you can see in the conversation we have this theme option. You can choose anything that you like. So basically this is how it's looking before, and now let me just change this, and I'm going to be showing you how it actually looks. So let's just go back to our title. Click on the top name options. You can see Page and Iman. We can click onto that and click on theme, and once we get it done, let's just choose something which actually suits. So I'm going to be choosing this. I think Superman looks good. Let's search for anything else if you got. All right, so we can actually go with Superman and click on select, and boom, let's just go back. This is how our chat now looks. So this is how easily you can change the background in Messenger. I hope this is really handy and going to be working for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon, and with that being said, see you in the next video.